Hello. Okay, so today again we are here uh, to discussion uh, questions which was asked in 2080 by the KOSHI-PABSON. Now let's just start discussion from the question number one. First is write the different modes of communication. So different modes of communication are simplex, and next is half duplex, next is full duplex. Yes. Next is what is IoT? IoT, it is the latest technology, and it simply said that connect all the devices, maybe the home appliances, maybe the office appliances, with the help of internet and the smartphone, so that they can be controlled from anywhere. So that is IoT. List the different LAN topology. Different LAN topology, it simply said that um, the topology we do in a small area. So that's called LAN topology. We have many types like the bus, star, ring, uh, mesh topology, etc. Next we have here what is global variable in QBasic. So global variable, as the name says, that type of variable uh, which is accessible to all the procedures and by all the procedures. So that is global variable. What is tuple? Tuple is a row or the record we store in our database. Write in two data types using C language. So two data types using C language are int and char. So in very simple we can define. Now we have next technical term. We have to write technical term is single term, sending and receiving messages electronically through the internet. So that is email. So this is email. Service provided by the government through public by electronic media, especially using the internet. So service provided by the government. It means it is governance or each other e-government. We can say that. Uh, Next is a mm, full form. So FTP, it stands for File Transfer Protocol, and next is B2B. B2B is a type of feature that uh, e-commerce in which the one business house contact the another business house for the selling and the buying. So B2B, it is stands for business to business. Now we have next uh, make sure that number there is answer the following questions. Each question carries 2 marks. So what is computer network? Write into advantages of computer network. Computer network. So when you connect two or more computers using wire without wire, so that becomes computer network. Uh, any two advantages of computer network are: first, we can share the file easily. Yes, we can also share the hardware easily. Uh, we can control it easily from the remote location. List in 4 areas where AI can help us. So there are many areas where AI is being used. Any 4 areas where AI is popular or the popularly used. The first is uh, manufacturing plants where the robots are used to control all the processes. That is the first. Next is the gaming. In gaming also we can use the AI concept, like if we have played the chess then. Next is natural language processing. Natural language processing means converting one language to another easily, like it is done by the Facebook and the Google Translator. So there is also AI. And next is security part. So if you want to secure, like using the fingerprint or using that uh, face detection, facial recognition we can say. Then there also AI can be used. Next is now, uh, what is digital footprint? Means digital footprint means the traces we leave behind after using the internet or the digital world, we can say that. So that is a digital footprint. Mostly whenever we sign in, we access information from the public places, then that becomes a footprint. And in 2 points, reduce the size of digital footprint while using the internet. To reduce the size of digital uh, footprint while using internet, first, uh, so we should not share the informations publicly. And if we are signing in to using the internet from the public places, then we should be aware that uh, our the accounts, they are totally uh, so you said logged out. And we should also delete all the information related to account from the password manager or maybe the browser. So we can do in this way. Mention the benefits and the limitations of e-commerce. First, we can say benefits. First is benefit. There are many benefits of e-commerce. Means we can buy and sell the products staying at our home. So that is the first benefit. Next is we can reach thousands of customers easily to sell the products. So that is also a benefit. Uh, and next is there we can compare the product prices, qualities among many products. Limitations in the sense all the products they are online. So sometimes we cannot guarantee that what is the quality of product. And next is there mm, uh, sometimes uh, e-commerce web portal, if it gets down, then in that case we cannot buy and sell the product. And next is sometimes while paying or while doing transactions, because of the gateway failure, the transaction cannot be done. In this case it becomes a problem. So there is also limitation, means heavily dependent on internet. Define encryption and the decryption. Encryption and decryption. Encryption, uh, as the name says, it is a technology which is in which the data is converted into unknown characters to prevent the data from unauthorized access. And the decryption simply says that convert the coded data or the encoded data into original form. So that's called decryption. What is RDBMS? RDBMS is distance for database management system. It's a software, and this software it used to handle the databases, users, making centralized, distributed, etc. And two examples of RDBMS are uh, Oracle. First, the public example is the MySQL, MS SQL. So that is also RDBMS. So next is write the functions of primary key. Primary key. Uh, in our database, mostly actually it contains tables there. Whenever we store our data, then there is possibility that it may contain duplicate data again and again. And to prevent that, we have to use one concept that's called primary key for particular field, which can be unique. So to make the uniqueness among the data, we use primary key. So that is major function. And next is primary key also can be used to link multiple tables. So that is the next function of primary key. Next is what is query. That's just type. Query, it is uh, it is an object in the MS Access, and that is used to like, get the information or change the information in our database. Which types? There are two types of query. First is select query, next is action query. Select to get the information only, and the action query it is used to do some minor or the major changes in the database. So that's action query. And action query further it has update, delete, and build, make table queries. What is form and what is report? Uh, we know that actually in MS Access there are many objects. So among many objects, one object is the form, and next is the report. So form is an object, and it provides a gateway to enter the data into the table. So that is the form, and the report actually it is also an object, and this object helps us to view the data before it is printed. Mostly report contains the data in summarized form, which can be used for the decision making. And when you talk about the form, then easily switching navigation is uh, possible there, and the data entry is also very easy. So this is how we can define these all the questions and write smoothly. Next is write down the output of a given program with the help of dry run. So let's go for it. Uh, we have to so this is the question. Yes, now let's make a table here. Let's start from first variable a, and it is 1 2 3 4 5 2 3 4 5. Next is there this a is its value is copied to this auxiliary parameter. Yes, a not equal to 0. Yes, so first it is true, a equals to 1 2 3 4 5, and that is true. After that r, so r is uh, what is value of r here? A is 1 2 3 4 5 divided by 10, so it gives us uh, remainder, and remainder means 5, so r is 5. Now next is a s equal to s plus r. It is now s is 0. Yes, so this is 0 plus r is 5, so it gives us 5. Yes, now in next there a equals to a by 10, it takes the integer part, so it is now integer part means 1 2 3 4 3 4. That was now in second iteration In second iteration, A becomes 1 2 3 4. Again it is being true. Yes. Now R, it becomes when divided by 10 he gives a 4. Now it is 5 plus 4 9. It is now uh, again divided, so we get the 1 2 3. Now A is 1 2 3 again being 2, so R is 3. It is 9 plus R is 3, so we get there 12. Now it becomes there 1 2 A equals to 1 2 again being true. Now R, it becomes R is a more 10 2. Yes, so next it becomes 12 plus R is 2 2, so it gives us 14. Now value here, and since it is divided by 10 to get the integer part, so what is A? A is 12, so it gives us 1. After that A equals to, it becomes 1 again being true, so R is 1, so it is now 14 plus 1, that is 15. Now it is here, it takes the integer part. Yes, so 1 is here, so 0 0.0, it becomes 0 there. After that what happens, it becomes 0 there. Yes, now it becomes false. As it becomes false there, yes, further execution stops, no execution further here. So what is the last value of S? That is 15, so we get the 15 as an output here. So output is here 15. Yes, so that's all. I hope you also answer about this one. So for confusions, the door is open there. You can use the chat box to communicate. Now let's go for the next question here. Uh, we are wrong or right, we can run it. Let's run it here using the interpreter. Let's save it. Let's run it. So look here, there is output 15, and we have also found 15 there. Now let's go for the next program here. Next question in there. Read the given program after coordinating box. Let's see what are the box here. So first, the channel number must be different. So this is the first mistake we have here, and next is there. Okay, this is the second mistake. So next mistake is here. Dollar sign is missing. Next is here. There should be kill. There should be kill, but it is here del. Uh, New record. So all others look fine there. So we found there 1, 2, 3, 4 mistakes here, and nothing more there to look for. Okay. Now let's go with the next. That is 7 number. What we are asked here. We are asked to analyze the program and write the answer of given questions. So what are the questions? How many parameters are used in our program? So look for the parameter. First is only one parameter is being passed here. Yes. So that is $8 is here, and in the function there is $C. Yes, fine there. Only one parameter is there. Here is $B. So next is the list of different library functions in our program. So library functions are len, and next is a made, next is their tab. So these all are the library functions. So very easily we can give the answers. Okay. Okay, now let's go for the next. So next we have here to write a program. So first is a write a program QBasic that asks the radius of hemisphere and the calculates the volume and total surface area. Create a user-defined function first to calculate the volume, and a sub procedure second to calculate the total surface area of hemisphere. So hence the formula is also given there. So let's go for this. So function name is there. Let us reduce the hemisphere and calculate volume and total surface. Use the function to calculate volume. So name is there first. Name of function is first there to calculate the volume, and the sub procedure second to calculate total surface area. Second, yes. So first and second we have done here. First and second. Here is a function to calculate volume. Function for the volume. So let's go for it. Input. So what is the formula of volume? 2 by 3 pi r cube. So let's go for it. So that's all. Uh, Function, it is for the volume. So here is the volume pi r cube, and sub procedure, it is for the total surface area and the 3 pi r square. So this is the formula. Okay. Let's save it. Let's run it. So here is the output. Okay. I hope you answered about this one. Now let's go for next. Sequence data file called list of data as data under the field heading items name, quantity, and rate. Write a program to update all the records by increasing the rate by 10%. So let's go for it. two number. So what are the variables here under the heading? Name, quantity, and rate. So we are asked to update the record, that is by 10%. Yes. New rate equals to rate plus 0.1 into rate. Right. Channel number 2. So that's all. So this is how we write it. Nothing more we have to do there. So this is how we can update the data and we can write to next file, that is new data. And at last what we have to do there, we have to change the new data file to old data file so that old data file remains there. Okay, it's a very simple program and we can write in very simple way. Next is a C program to know that the number is positive, negative, and the first of 10 natural numbers. And so this program we have already written there. So check out some that old videos there. We can find this type of program written there. And if you have any question and doubts, just let me know. So this was for today. Thank you. If you have any questions, let me know and join me again tomorrow at same time 4 to 5 other 5:30. Thank you.